center we have the laser beam. So maximum power we can reach 2 kilowatt in this machine. And this is a 5-axis CNC machine. Z movement is given to the deposition head and other 4 movement in the bed. So and this one is a controlled environment means LDD machine. Compared to that other machine where we use a coaxial argon gas, here we means fill entire chamber with a high purity argon gas. So why it is necessary for that reactive materials like aluminium, titanium, they tends to get oxidized at the high temperature. So if it means oxidize in every layer, the part quality would deteriorate and also microstructure will change. And these two are the filters which means constantly monitor and also filter the argon gas, because at the time of feeding some impurities may get into this system. So for that
So the whole chamber is inert gas, argon gas.
the whole chamber is maintained with the high
Inert.
purity argon gas. Even the CNC control, we means that pneumatic action also done by the argon gas.
Okay,
High purity argon
pneumatic
gas.
air is not used
No,
instead
no,
of
it
that.
is high purity
Argon is
argon
used. Okay.
And here we can see that is like
Yeah,
a
hold on,
ATC
finish.
mean automatic tool change.
ATC is there.
So 16 tools we can hold, and this is the tool holder. After deposition, if means we generally what happen in DED, due to the higher layer thickness, the surface is not that much smooth. So by applying some surface finishing
Post
deposition operation, we can get the final part. We
Post-process.
don't need to change that means transfer this part to another. It will
Another
take
shop.
some time. For the industry, it is suited that single setup
So
we can do.
there is the spindle
This
sitting
one is
there.
the tool holder.
That is tool holder, and spindle is there upwards, right? Okay, that will shift and do the post processing.
It will move up.
Move
and
up.
It will come down.
Okay,
And then do that.
okay.
And this here we can do that 4 means X, Y as well as the
4-axis
motion.
movement is given there.
So come to this side.
Is it possible to show any operation that
Full dice